Cream lovers, welcome. Hey, if you're new to this platform, we love having new visitors. My name's Steve Christensen. I'm the self-appointed headmaster of this beautiful facility here, Scoop School. And we're located in Wildwood, a little bit west of St. Louis, Missouri. Nice to have you along. If you're an old-time viewer, hey, welcome back to 2025. Okay, so the first portion of the year is kind of downtime for a lot of ice cream shop owners. You know, it's kind of, you can work on marketing, menu development, maybe tweaking your SOPs. Well, for those of us in the supplier and educating side of the business, it's a very, very busy time. A lot of trade shows, a lot of events, a lot of courses, and I'm just about to head off to one of the biggest, pan out Madeline, the biggest ice cream events in the world. It's Sigep 2025, held in a seaside town, the beautiful seaside town of Rimini, Italy. Madeline, let's throw some seaside sound effects here. Anyway, look, it's a massive event, and I guess what I'm saying is we're going to do a lot of content this year from Sigep 2025. You can follow us on the on our short form video socials. We do a lot of stuff on Instagram, do a lot of stuff on TikTok. I'd like to say goodbye to my Chinese spy. It's been great spending time with you. Follow us on those platforms. Madeline will put a link in the show notes down here, as well as the link to the show. Why don't we put the link to next year's dates, 2026 as well, because there may be an opportunity to kind of come with us and experience all that the world of ice cream, gelato, coffee, chocolate, bakery has to offer. I will tell you one thing too. A lot of new concepts are introduced at Sigep. So a lot of times an equipment company, even a lot of the equipment company that we have here at our facility, launches new equipment there, launches new flavors, new products. So it's a great show to go to. Again, all the details are down below, but keep an eye on this space. We'll have a lot more video from Sigep. And also follow us on Instagram and the other short form video locations. Keep on scooping, and hopefully we'll see you through the lens there.